Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So NVIDIA is one of the world's most popular technology stocks, known for its AI chips, gaming GPUs, data center hardware, and artificial intelligence infrastructure. The good news is that Vanguard makes it easy to buy NVIDIA stock through a Vanguard brokerage account in just a few minutes. So this is the complete step-by-step process for buying NVIDIA stock on Vanguard in 2026. So first thing, open a Vanguard brokerage account. Like before buying NVIDIA stock, you will need a Vanguard brokerage account. So visit Vanguard, create an account or sign in if you already have an account, complete identity verification, and open a brokerage account if you don't already have one, as I said. Okay, so let's say that you already have an account, so then the most next important step is to fund your account. So before investing, you will need available cash. Okay, so log into Vanguard, select transfers and money movement, link your bank account, and then deposit funds into your brokerage account. Okay, so as you can see here, the steps. Okay, and then search for NVDA. Okay, search for NVDA, tap the search bar and enter NVDA and select NVDA Corporation from the search results. Okay, so after that, open the NVIDIA stock page and start a trade. Okay, so select buy, choose your brokerage account, and select an order type. Common choices like market order and limit order. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.